Hey, what's going on everybody? Jay here, welcome back to The Ship Life. So I have a real treat for you for today's episode. We are checking out the world's first cruise ship roller coaster, Bolt. I'm currently sailing on Carnival's brand new XL class ship, the Carnival Mardi Gras, and I've had an amazing time, but I have yet to ride this roller coaster. So what we're gonna do here today is ride the roller coaster. I have a special POV view. That way you can see exactly what this ride has to offer. We'll talk about pricing. We'll talk about everything that this ride includes. So just hit that like button before we get started. Subscribe to the channel. That way you stay updated on everything going on within the cruise ship industry, and let's go.
Let's go!
So like I said, Bolt is the first ever roller coaster at sea, stretching a whopping 800 feet from the aft of the ship and around the ship's iconic whale tail funnel. This ride is the true definition of innovation. Bolt is located on deck 18 and is a whopping 180 feet above sea level, challenging those with fear of heights to push their limits. This is a cool and edgy motorcycle style ride, so much so in fact that you can control the speed of the Bolt coaster with the throttle on the right, along with a nerve-wracking boost feature on the left handle that lasts 5 seconds. Bolt can reach a top speed of 40 miles per hour. The max weight limit is 300 pounds. As far as the height, 6 feet 5 inches. The price per ride is $15. Now that the boring stuff is out of the way, let's check out the full ride experience POV style, and then I'll give you my honest and unbiased opinion. Wow. Now that was cool. All right, so first off, all I gotta say is wow. I was legitimately surprised. As somebody that has a major cruise ship background, I've been to Disney World, living in Florida, I've been to Universal Studios, SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, you name it. This ride was not bad, okay? Now, when you consider the $15 price tag for one go around, and considering it's about less than a 30-second ride, yeah, you have to feel some kind of way about that. I would totally agree. I'm sure some of you out there would agree with that too. However, the overall experience, the fact that you're literally out here in the middle of the ocean, right? The way the ride goes around the water, like you saw in the POV, it kind of makes up for it. Now, I don't know what Carnival's gonna do down the road. Maybe they'll lower the price, maybe they'll make it a little bit higher, because this is the inaugural sailing or the Maiden Voyage, so they are messing around with the price, seeing how people are reacting to it, and I'm assuming they're gonna make adjustments from there. Now, if I had to give it what I like to call a J score, yeah, it's made up. I'm just trying it out, right? But if I had to give it a J score, like ranging from 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7. Okay, it's not the sexiest ride, but this is also, keep in mind, the first roller coaster at sea. It's definitely an experience that you should try out if you do happen to sail on the Carnival Mardi Gras. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Let me know how you feel about this ride in the comment section below. Also, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to check out this ride or this cruise ship for that matter, make sure you check out our travel partner with our YouTube channel, Kimberly Sunset by the Seas. She will make sure you are taken care of and that you have the ultimate experience. That way you can ride Bolt. I'll see you next time.